As civilization teeters on the brink of collapse, the once unthinkable becomes a terrifying reality. The dead rise from their graves, driven by an insatiable hunger for the flesh of the living. In the chaotic aftermath of a zombie apocalypse, the line between survival and extinction is razor thin. In this dire landscape, knowledge and preparation are your greatest weapons against the relentless tide of the undead. In this guide, we present the top 5 survival tips to help you navigate the treacherous terrain of a zombie-infested world. From securing shelter to staying fit and agile, these strategies will equip you with the skills and mindset necessary to endure the horrors that await. Whether you're facing hordes of ravenous zombies or the ever-present threat of hostile survivors, these survival tips will give you the best chance of outlasting the apocalypse and emerging victorious in the end. Prepare for the fight of your life. The fate of humanity hangs in the balance, and only the strongest, smartest, and most resilient will survive. Be resourceful. Resourcefulness is a key trait for surviving a zombie apocalypse. Scavenge strategically for supplies, prioritizing essential items like food, water, and medical supplies. Reuse and repurpose materials from abandoned structures or vehicles to create tools, weapons, or fortifications that enhance your survival capabilities. Establish trade relationships with other survivors to exchange goods, information, and support networks. Continuously adapt and innovate to make the most of limited resources and overcome challenges in your survival journey. Prioritize long-term sustainability and resilience in your decision-making processes to increase your chances of survival in the face of adversity. Stay low-key and silent. Adopting a low-key and silent approach to survival can help you avoid detection by zombies and hostile survivors. Minimize noise and movement to reduce the risk of attracting attention, and develop a system of silent communication with your group members using hand signals or gestures. Use caution when using firearms or other loud equipment, as these can draw unwanted attention and increase the risk of attracting zombies. Prioritize stealth and evasion tactics when navigating through urban or rural environments, and avoid confrontations whenever possible. Stay fit and agile. Physical fitness is essential for surviving the rigors of a zombie apocalypse. Engage in regular exercise routines that focus on cardio, strength training, and flexibility to maintain peak physical condition. Practice survival skills such as building shelters, starting fires, purifying water, and foraging for food to enhance your self-sufficiency and adaptability in various environments. Stay informed about zombie behavior and survival tactics through books, online resources, or training programs. Develop strategies for evasion and self-defense, including hand-to-hand combat techniques and improvised weapons. Stay prepared. Building a comprehensive survival kit requires careful planning and consideration of essential items. Start by stocking up on water, ensuring you have at least 1 gallon per person per day for drinking and hygiene. Select non-perishable food items with a long shelf life, such as canned goods, dried fruits, and high-energy snacks. Include medical supplies like bandages, antiseptics, pain relievers, and any necessary prescription medications. Equip your kit with versatile tools such as a multi-tool, flashlight with extra batteries, matches or lighters, and a portable stove for cooking. Regularly review and replenish your supplies to maintain readiness for any situation that may arise. Before getting to the first place, if you've been enjoying the content so far, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit like, hit subscribe, and join us on this incredible journey together. The most important thing to do is to find a secure shelter. When selecting a shelter, prioritize locations that offer natural defenses such as elevated terrain or bodies of water, as these can help deter zombies and other threats. Once you've identified a suitable location, assess its structural integrity and potential vulnerabilities. Fortify the shelter by reinforcing doors and windows with heavy barricades, securing entry points, and establishing a perimeter defense system using barriers like fences or makeshift walls. Ensure the shelter has access to a sustainable water source, either through nearby rivers, wells, or rainwater collection systems. Develop contingency plans for emergencies, including escape routes and designated safe areas within the shelter. Thank you for tuning in to discover the top 5 survival tips for navigating the perilous landscape of a zombie apocalypse. In the face of unimaginable challenges, your commitment to preparation and resilience will be the difference between survival and succumbing to the undead hordes. Remember, in the chaos of the apocalypse, every decision could mean the difference between life and death. By implementing these survival strategies, you're taking proactive steps to ensure your safety and that of your loved ones in the face of the unknown. Stay vigilant, stay prepared, and above all, stay alive. Together, we can face the challenges ahead and emerge triumphant in the fight for survival. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more survival tips, updates, and exclusive content to help you navigate the apocalypse with confidence.